This is baby Stewie. We're at the vet. Today is the 28th of June, and we have him here because we want to get his we're gonna get his tail cropped along with his dew claw. And the vet said he looks really good, and that he looks very healthy. He's sneezing, I guess. Keep him warm. He doesn't like light too much. I'm gonna try to film the procedure if I can, if they allow me to. I'm gonna end this vlog because he seems a little uncomfortable. I'm gonna attend to him. Okay? Bye bye.